All right, let's talk about another way to attack maybe some tighter lats, limiting full opening of the shoulder in an overhead position, especially in relation to handstand holds or push-ups. We're gonna do some foam rolling. I say foam rolling, but I actually have one of the plastic or like ABS pipes. They're pretty hard, but this is one of the few applications where I really suggest that as long as you can tolerate it. Basically what's gonna happen is we're gonna get that meaty part of your lat right there, right as it gets up into your armpit, and we're just gonna roll forward and back through here. You're going to find some tight spots, some pressure pretty quick, and once you find that area, we're basically trying to just continue to smash the tissues there until we can get a little bit of a release, allow yourself to relax a little bit. Let's stay away from getting up into the arms. Fair amount of nerves going on in there and not really going to accomplish what we're looking for. So find a roller that you're comfortable with. Maybe even lay on a yoga mat here, and we're just going to, like I said, find that big meaty part of your lat there as it goes up into your armpit, and we're just gonna roll forward and back until you find an area that feels like there's a little bit of tension going on. You'll know as soon as you make the grimace in your face, and your goal is just to breathe, apply pressure into that area until we can get a little bit of relaxation or release through your lat. Probably gonna spend on the order of a minute to 2 per arm if this is a stretch or this is a area that needs some work, and just smash into the tissues until we can get a little bit of a release. Enjoy the pain.